Guys, this is the next video. We need to try to do this screwdriver. Like, actually, we need to try and find it. So, yeah. Yeah, why would you need that plug? Like, actually, where is it? In here? Oh, here, I want to do that. Yeah, I don't see it. Oh, no. Yeah. I'll put the sleeping pail. Because why not? Eat marshmallow. Guys, I don't know where is the screwdriver. Like, actually, there is nothing. Like, actually, nada. It had been 1 minute. Actually, weird. I need a screwdriver. Like, bro. Where is the screwdriver? If I don't see any there's supposed to be a screwdriver in this game. It's just hiding somewhere. Like, bro, I need it so bad. I just need a screwdriver and that's it. And that's all. Not even here. I'm tapping everywhere and there's not. Like, yeah. Yeah. Guys, this is not gonna be good. Cause, oh no, they'll be at in 3, 2, 1. I don't speak Russian, but. So yeah, I done the ad, but actually, where's a screwdriver? Yeah, you and. That's the boat. Bro, what do I do? In the bottom there. I actually need to find the screwdriver.
Together, time is ticking!
I don't know, bruh. Like, bro. Okay, yeah. Oh no, I accidentally pressed that. Well, I pressed that add thing so that I can unlock his thing. Yeah, there's nothing. I'll just keep it on so he will see. I am not happy. I think I need like this. Oh, wait. No, there's nothing. There. I am not happy. There's nothing. Guys, I'll find it. I'll try to find it. So, bye. Guys, I think the way is just in there. But it says there's something at the bottom. Like now it can't dry it out, so yeah. Can't do nothing. Yeah, we have been searching for like 10 minutes now. I am not happy, bro, but we will see. Guys, I opened this with a key. Guys, we finally got the screwdriver. Screwdriver. I am so happy now, bro. For like 5 minutes we have been searching for. Like, actually, I am so happy, guys. Are you happy? We might get out of this ending. I am too happy. Wait. Locked with a latch. Wait. Locked with a latch. Oh yeah, nails. Okay, guys. Wait, why can I not go up? Oh yeah, I can. Guys, this is too dark. Wait. Boards are nailed. I need to try to... What about I screwdrivered it? No, I can't still. I can't insect spray it. Put it somewhere here. Is it too dangerous? Yeah, like, how's it too dangerous? Insect spray? Hose? Guys, I don't know what else. Oh, I don't really see, that's why. It's not too dangerous.
Who passes like that anyway?
You pass like that anyway. I don't know how to pass like this.
Come on, go!
Yeah, I don't know. We need like a torch or something. And what about we try to... It's ad coming. No. And this is scam. But good that we go to the base. To the ladder. So bye, guys.